Garmin Triathlon Coach helps you get ready for your next triathlon with effective training plans designed to support you from start to finish. First, let's get set up in the Garmin Connect smartphone application. Tap More in the lower right. Select Training and Planning. Then, select Garmin Coach Plans. Next, you'll choose your goal. Select either achieve a milestone, improve fitness, or train for an event. In this video, we'll be training for an event. Then, accept the terms and conditions. If you already have a triathlon race added to your calendar, it will be listed. Otherwise, you'll be prompted to select your preferred sport. Select Triathlon. Now, select Next. Then, enter your current training amounts, followed by Next. Now, choose your race distance. Select Next. Then, adjust the length of each leg of your race. Select Next. Now, it's time to set your goals. You can either choose Finish the event, Finish with an overall time goal, or Finish with leg time goals. Then, tap Next. If you select Finish the event, the Garmin Triathlon Coach overview page will appear. However, if you select Finish with an overall time goal or Finish with leg time goals, the next page will let you add your overall goal or goals for each leg of the race. You'll then see the Garmin Triathlon Coach overview page. Select Setup Plan at the bottom of the page. Next, you will create a schedule that works best for you. This includes how many days a week you can train, which days you'd prefer for long runs and rides, and your preferred pool swim workout days. For swim workouts, you'll also designate how far you are comfortable swimming. Optionally, you can add strength workouts to your training plan and designate whether you have access to a gym or prefer body weight only workouts. When you're done, tap Next. Now select Find a Race to search for an event. Keep in mind, your event must be between 6 and 52 weeks out from the search. It also must be only up to half distance. Then, select Add to Plan. Once your schedule is set, you can review your plan and edit details if necessary. Then, tap Create Plan. Here, you'll be able to see your plan overview, workout schedule, training metrics, and more. The Garmin Coach Glance allows you to access the current day's workout and upcoming workouts on your compatible Garmin device. You can also see your workouts for the day in your morning report. And that's everything you need to know about setting up your Garmin Triathlon Coach plan. All that's left is to start training so you can hit those goals. For more help, please subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com.